Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 of mine and Tammy's 12 days of Christmas designs. So today is a Christmas tree, so it's going to be super easy, really quick, and yeah, I'm just gonna pop some music on, get started. It won't take long to do, so yeah, I shall be back soon. Okay. So there you go, super quick, super easy. So that's what I come up with. I probably should have used silver on this, but yeah, anyway, it's super quick, super easy. I just thought I would do just a very quick, simple design, and this is from Charlie's, so it's super cute. Super cute, and as you can see, it fits real nice on the nail. So yeah, it's super cute. So let me know what you think down below of this. I know it was really quick video, but I thought, well, I'll just keep it simple, quick and easy, so it gives you an idea of what you can do just with a couple of colors. So yeah, anyway, don't forget to go over and check out Tammy's video. I will have it linked below, and if you're not subscribed to both of us, please subscribe, and hopefully you will join us tomorrow. Yeah, so take care, stay safe, and hopefully we will both see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.